Gold, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see also the gold here is correcting. Now we want to see whether we can get this correction. This means whether the price can drop to come here, and whether from there we can get one move down, or the price from here can go continue. Alright, now we want to see how this correction can form. Okay, the most preferably is the price come somewhere around here, then drop, then from there we can look for buy. Okay, in this case we move to forward chart. We want to see based on the lower time frame whether we can trade or not. Based on the lower time frame, if I draw my trend line here based on forward chart, okay, as we can see here the price is is correcting and we don't have any trade set up. Buying or selling here is not a good idea. As we see, we don't have the trade set up because we are not sure how high the price can go, whether the price can come to here, then from there, as we say, can drop, or their continuation. Any of this option can happen. Alright, and there's a possibility within this correction the price drop. That's why, as we can see, buying or selling here is not a good idea. We need to wait for the confirmation. It depends on the traders and how they trade. At least if this correction continues better, the price can somewhere around here, then we can make a decision. But as we can see right now, we don't have any trade setup based on the forward chart, and trading here is not a good idea again. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. We see how we can trade it. Based on the 1 hour chart also, we don't have any trade setup. And even if we draw this two line, we cannot call it is channeling or not. Alright, as we can see the way is forming. Okay, now the question is whether we can put this one as a correction within this for the one move up. If one move up, whether this move can move here or this is the one, we are not sure, because we are not sure how this correction can form. In this case, buying or selling within this correction is really not a good idea, and we need to get that trade set up. It depends on the strategy the traders they use. Okay, in this case we need to wait and see how this correction can form, then from there we can make a decision for the up or the down, because any of them can happen right now. In this case we just follow the chart and we see how the correction can form, then from there we make a decision. Thanks.